Who can resist a perfectly golden, soft, and delicious donut? Today we take you behind the scenes to see how they're made from scratch. It all starts with simple ingredients: flour, yeast, sugar, butter, eggs, and milk. After mixing and kneading, the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Then, it rests and rises until it doubles in size, creating that light and airy texture. Once ready, we roll out the dough, cut it into perfect circles, and let it rise again for extra fluffiness. Now, it's time to cook. You can fry them in hot oil until golden brown or bake them for a lighter version. And now the best part, decorating, a dusting of sugar, a dip in chocolate glaze, or colorful sprinkles. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, warm, soft, and delicious donuts, ready to enjoy. Which one would you pick first? Like and subscribe for more tasty videos. Enjoy your donuts.